can I justify coming in on the long side here as a value trade? No, no way. Could you justify this as a momentum trade? Sure. Could this thing pop up higher here? Sure. You can do any old damn thing it wants. But I don't think that this is a value trade here. This is strictly momentum. And if I remember correctly, I think Steven said that his ultimate objective is up in this 160, 180 area. So if they want to keep pushing this thing higher, awesome. These names that we just have been going through, it's nice to see, of course, they're moving higher. As we had sort of talked about here recently, we did have some great buy signals, and hopefully you guys took advantage of that. So that's good. But the problem here is like that SOL. And of course, we could look at Bitcoin, same sort of idea. And we'll just look at this on Binance. You know, how can I come in on the buy side there? I can't. I just can't. Have we done 33, but no more than 66? Well, yeah. Do we have 3 higher lows to work with? This is getting really aggressive here. I don't necessarily, I don't know whether I would feel really too comfortable about taking this. It looks like we have a double bottom working off of that level. And if you had said, well, you know, I really like this little reversal candle 3-bar pattern here, so I'm going to pull the trigger, but you just got to live with the results. And, you know, me looking at this, if anything, I don't like the fact that this now is broken. And now you can see that that uptrend line is now resistance here. If you get any kind of M's now over here, that actually becomes a sell signal. So just be careful. And, you know, sort of our conversation, what's value? Probably this is a really good example of like an L Tangonator. You know, there's a person who was asking a little while ago in the level 1 program, do you see momentum divergence? Things like MACD histograms. We can put this stuff away. And do you see the market stupidly oversold down in this area down here? So you can see they were taking the market to new lows, but MACD histogram was not going to new lows. Interesting little double bottom there in the MACD as well. You had sort of flashes there of oversold. Look at that really nice oversold reading here. A little bit of div, nothing really too sexy, but you know, it does look like these were higher lows. All this MACD reading minus 90 there. And over here, minus 120. So you can see price was making lower lows, but MACD histogram was not. And then they went and broke it out through the middle here on this event right here, this rally here. So any kind of W now, and of course we broke a nice solid downtrend line. Any kind of W's over here, you can justify getting long. Do you trade that little W? Maybe if you're super aggressive. That's even a reload zone of that range. Yeah, Willie did get stupid. Got more bullish MACD divs here. Do you wait for this big honking W to fire? Yeah, you could. Anyway, up she goes. So looks like trade idea worked nicely. But now, can I justify coming in on the long side here as a value trade? No, no way. Could you justify this as a momentum trade? Sure, but just understand. Now, unfortunately, we lost this little uptrend line here. So any kind of M here, be careful. And you can see momentum's kind of waning a bit here too. So very, very late in the story. Could this thing pop up higher here? Sure. You can do any old damn thing it wants. But I don't think that this is a value trade here. This is strictly momentum. And if I remember correctly, I think Steven said that his ultimate objective is up in this 160, 180 area. So if they want to keep pushing this thing higher, awesome. What I would say is probably take a look at all the little SOL names. Like there is a few names. I don't have the bird's eye up here. I have it on my laptop running. And there's a bunch of those names that we were buying that all look like they're pointing higher. So if this thing is still pointing higher, then maybe go have some fun like Adam. I think Adam made an absolute killing on these SOL names over the past month or so. So, you know, I mean, that's the way you want to play this. It's up to you.